So we are using the Viper pan and drain treatment in place of pan tabs. It's not going to get stuck and clog up the drain. It uses enzymes to help break down junk that could grow in the drain. So all we're going to do is just spray down the drain pan edge there, and then just the first row or so of tubing. Alright, that's basically it. It's a nice little coating on the drain pan. You can kind of see the shininess there in the edge. And then the first row of tubing, and that helps prevent the gross stuff from growing. And it smells great. And it's safe. And it's got a big snake on the front.
Aggressive.
And Karen likes it.